Hey everybody, it's Jamie. So, as you can see, I got my little envelopes out. Randomizer day. I'm going to try to get somewhere to where we can have a place to roll the dice here. Let's see here. Here we go. 2. I hope everybody has had a wonderful start to the week. 2. Uh-oh, looks like 2s are going to get it today. So, well, we're going to go 3. 4. We have $33 that we're starting with today. 1, 2, 5, 2, 4, oh, 4. Come on, number 6. 6 don't want to get none. Uh-oh, 2 is going to win, y'all. Oh, there's 6. It heard me. Come on, 6. Oh, 1. Each one of these little envelopes has a designated place that it's going. So as soon as it gets finished, it will either go into a sinking fund or it will go to a month ahead. And so it just depends. I really like this. It's so cool. Oh, 6. A lot of notifications coming on the phone. 5. 6. Oh, my arm's getting tired, y'all. Maybe we can get some of them finished. Or a good dent to them anyway. It's hard to record when you got a lot of people in the house. You're trying to be quiet, but you're also trying to not disturb them also. And the last dollar is going to 2. I think 2 is the winner today, y'all. So let's see. Envelope number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's getting 6. So let's get green out today. So we will do a 5 and a 1. You will see on the back it has a number and a letter to it. I will explain that in another video. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The reason why it has home insurance now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's got 17. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got 9. So we will do a 5 and a 4. And it now has, this is pet supplies, so it now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 in it. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has got 6. So we will do a 5 and a 1. And of course, you all know this one is going to go to Homestead. It could be chicken feed, it could be fencing, it could be anything. So number 4 has got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got $4 in it. So I'll color in this 4. And this one right here is going to cell phone. This is for a month ahead, or towards a month ahead. So it now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It now has 20. Okay, let's see. This little kitten love has got 1, 2, 3, 4. It has got 4 to it. So this one now has, this one's home insurance also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It's got 21 in it. And the last one, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should just have 8 in it. And this one is car payment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'll explain to you what the numbers and the letters are. When I go to the bank, I usually get out 51s. So, of course, you know, there's 12 letters on a dollar bill. So, when I go to get the 50 out, I will go through and just lay them out for the 12 letters. Here, let me show you with this one. So, I hadn't marked these yet, but I'll show you guys. These are 12 envelopes. They're numbered for a reason. So what we will do is it will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So I will lay them out, and when I go through the $50, whatever letter is on that bill will go into the envelope. That will probably be in the next video that I record and show you guys. So just stick around and stay tuned, and that video will be coming out one day this week. So with that said, guys, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.